You want to tell them about the 5 alkaline foods that they should be eating? Why should you even eat alkaline foods? Does it even play a role in your lifestyle? Is this all just hype, or is there actually evidence around this alkaline food diet? He's going to tell you. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Just here to talk to you about 5 alkaline foods that you need to be eating right now. 5 alkaline foods. Stick around for number 5 that are going to change your life in a grocery store near you, full of benefits. These foods I chose, one, because of availability and popularity, and depending on where you are. I put this list together of foods that I know for sure are available for anybody who's watching this, regardless of where you at. Go to the grocery store and get these 5 foods. But first, stay tuned to figure out what the 5 foods are. So if you're not familiar about what alkaline even means, be sure to check out this video right here where I go into depth on what alkaline even means, the alkaline diet, and why you should apply it to your life. If you want a healthier lifestyle, you have to start at the problem, okay? The problem for most of us with sickness and disease lies in the... Now, I'll go more in depth in that on this video, coming very, very soon. Be sure to stay tuned for coming next week. What is the first alkaline food on the list? What is number 1? Kale. Bam. Kale from Traders, baby. You know it's packed with vitamins, you know it's packed with minerals. 1 cup of kale is about 67 grams, 206% of your vitamin A, gonna be 134% of your vitamin C. You got B6 in there, you got potassium. Kale is just loaded with the good stuff. It can help lower your cholesterol, and actually lead and help reduce the risk of heart disease. One study actually found that drinking kale juice for 12 weeks lowered people's bad cholesterol levels by about 27%. There's a substance in kale, I can't pronounce it, but I'll put it on the screen, that basically has been contributed to lowering cholesterol levels. Kale is actually more stronger than high cholesterol medicine, 93% more potent than this medicine that they are prescribing to you for this. So why don't you just go pick up a $3 or $4 bag of kale instead? One of the world's best sources for vitamin K. 7 times the daily recommended amount for vitamin K. Now, potassium has actually been linked with lowering blood pressure. So if you have high blood pressure, that's something that runs in your family. You might want to start eating kale more. On to number 2. What is the number 2 alkaline food on the list? Anybody got any guesses? What should I have for a snack? Watermelon. Watermelon. It's so hard to find a seeded watermelon. Go to your local farmer's market for sure. Watermelon is 92% water. Hydration is key. Gonna help your skin. In just 1 cup of watermelon, it contains 21% of the vitamin C, 18% of your vitamin A recommended amount, 5% potassium, 4% magnesium, and it's got your B1, 5, and some more B vitamins. It doesn't have any fat in it. There's no cholesterol, so you can eat as much of it. You're not gonna really gain any weight. Unfortunately, the biggest cause of death in this country is heart disease, okay? Clogged arteries, fatty foods, heart disease, cholesterol. Get you some watermelon. Look at your blood pressure like this hole right here, okay? The bigger it is, the less pressure it's gonna be. If that hole is small and tiny, and it's just that little bitty hole right there, it's gonna be high pressure. This can help expand your blood vessels and not contribute to that bad cholesterol. So you wanna, potassium and magnesium are key elements to help contribute to a lower blood pressure, and watermelon has just those things. There was also a study that was done with some athletes, and they did notice that the group that drank the watermelon water had seen higher recovery rates. They seen less soreness in their muscles. And so get you some watermelon right now. 3rd alkaline food on the list. What is the 3rd food on the list? A lot of people put it in salads. Cucumbers are easy to grow. I grew some myself. Cucumbers are another high water content vegetable. Why do you think skin companies always advertise cucumber? Good for your skin. 95% water. A lot of potassium, 152 grams of potassium per cup. Lower risk, lower stroke, lower heart disease risk shown through studies. Anti-inflammatory, like Alzheimer's and dementia. It actually works against those things to start eating more raw cucumbers in their diet daily if possible. But you know somebody that has stinky breath? Show them this video. Cucumbers actually can aid the bad breath. They help kill that bad bacteria. And vitamin K adds to your bones, helps strengthen your bones. Give your kids some cucumbers. A lot of people peel their cucumbers. You need that skin. 20% of your daily recommended vitamin K. But on to number 4, we done did kale, we done did cucumber, we done did watermelon. Those are all 3 amazing. On to number 4, guys, we're getting close. Avocado. Very calorie dense, nutrient dense fruit, or I don't know, is it a fruit or vegetable? You guys tell me. So we're on number 4 now. Avocados are filled with all the regular vitamins that we are aware of, from vitamin K, vitamin A, but more importantly, it has some of your monosaturated fats like your omega. Grain is actually 60% fat, so don't be scared of the good fat. Now that potassium has been proven to be linked with lowering blood pressures. Avocados actually have more potassium than bananas. So if you don't like bananas, try some avocados. If your avocados have actually been known, they lower those, and what that is the fat that's stored in your blood. Get you some avocados. A higher nutrient uptake is the number 5 alkaline food. You just gonna spit all on you. Said it's probably my most favorite because it's the most simplest one. You ready? All right, guys, number 5 on the list is limes. Limes are amazing. Are known to be a citrus. When you put them in your body, it actually regulates your body's pH. Anybody can buy limes. If you can find seeded ones, good luck. Very rare nowadays. Let's chop them up. Infused water is the easiest way. Okay, throw some in a smoothie, chop them up. Don't put the pill in there, it might be too strong. I mean, that's just how I do it. I just make lime water, or I'll get the flesh of the lime and I'll put it in a smoothie or something like that. So get you some limes. Limes are very affordable. Limes are rich in magnesium and potassium, rich in other minerals like vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K. They've actually been known to help relieve with respiratory disorders, asthma, shortness of breath, heart problems, used exclusively for anti-congestive disorders. If you scratch the peel of the lime, just by inhaling that can help open up your respiratory system. So if you're sick, you got a stuffy nose, get you some limes. Limes definitely have a high concentration of vitamin C. It's very good for your immune system and for the collagen in your skin. And it helps regulate the temperature of your body. If you live in a hot environment, drink you some lime water, help keep you hydrated. Full of antioxidants, which help rejuvenate your skin, improve digestion, fight infections. Like I said, your immune system, that's key. I also have a video coming, 5 high energy foods, alkaline based. So stay tuned for the 5 high energy foods that are alkaline based. Go try some of these foods, give it a shot, be aware, be healthy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Peace.